are going to learn about blur or sharpen tool. Blurring means image is unclear or hazy, a thing which cannot be seen or hardly clear, while sharpen is to highlight and hide the certain elements within a photo. Now for this, you click on this blur tool. As soon as you click on this blur tool, you can see these options also available here, and presently we are choosing this blur option, and I have chosen here fade. There are other options also, jitter, smooth stroke and lock brush to view, and also set your rate for seeing the intensity of blurring. Now I am clicking on my blur and sharpen tool. I choose the blur option, and now you can see the effect of blurring. See, you can see the image is getting blurred, and very soon you have set the fade array options here, and the blur effect is making the picture hazy or unclear. Now come to sharpen. Choose the sharpen tool from there. See, if you apply just sharpen, you can see it will highlight certain parts of the image where you use this tool.